Hello guys, today I will create this logo in CorelDraw. Okay, follow me. Get started. First of all, create a circle. Press Ctrl Shift. Perfect circle. Okay. Duplicate this circle. Okay. Delete this. And again, create rectangle. Center this. Adjust this rectangle. Okay. Select all. Trim. Sorry, Ctrl Z. Adjust again. Trim this. Okay, delete this rectangle. Double click in. Okay, curve this like this. Okay, double click and create another node. Move this node, create a line. Okay, curve this line like this. Create another line. Curve this line. Move this down. Okay, like this, and create another line. Okay, perfect. Curve this line. Okay, and same this. Okay, perfect. Select all and delete this outline. Now color this. Remove this outline. Move this shape above. Okay, color this. Okay, go to this. Okay, follow me. Okay, perfect. Change this color like this, and again. Okay. Same color. Okay, select all and group. Apply background. Okay, control page down. Okay guys, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks and goodbye.